Did you know that the blue whale, an aquatic animal, is the largest animal ever known to have lived on Earth? It's true. The world beneath the water surface is home to an astonishing variety of creatures, each more fascinating than the last. From the tiniest plankton to the gargantuan blue whale, the diversity and complexity of life in the world's oceans, rivers, and lakes are simply mind-boggling. Aquatic animals play a vital role in the balance of nature. They contribute to the biodiversity of our planet, and many of them have unique abilities and characteristics that continue to astound scientists and animal lovers alike. Today, we are going to embark on a journey beneath the waves, exploring the captivating world of aquatic life. We'll count down the top 10 intriguing facts about these incredible creatures. So, are you ready to dive into the top 10 fascinating facts about these incredible creatures? Starting at number 10, we have the immortal jellyfish. This fascinating creature, also known as Turritopsis dohrnii, has a unique party trick that sets it apart from the rest of the animal kingdom. Instead of succumbing to the ravages of age, it has the ability to revert its cells back to their earliest form and grow anew. Think about that for a moment. This aquatic enigma, floating in the depths of the ocean, can effectively hit the reset button on its life cycle whenever it wants. It's a process that has scientists scratching their heads in amazement and envy. When the jellyfish gets injured or sick, or even after reproducing, it can transform its cells back into a polyp state, beginning life anew. It's a cycle that can repeat indefinitely, which is why we call it the immortal jellyfish. So while we humans search for the fountain of youth, jellyfish may have already found it. At number 9, we have the artist of the sea, the pufferfish. Now, when we think of artists, we often picture humans with a paintbrush in hand. But did you know some of the most intricate artistry comes from the sea, specifically from the humble pufferfish? This little creature creates something truly extraordinary to win over a mate. Male pufferfish are known for their impressive creativity. They laboriously flap their fins, crafting geometric circular patterns in the sandy seabed. These aren't just any old doodles. They're complex, they're precise, and they're huge, sometimes up to 7 feet in diameter. That's a lot of work for a fish just a few inches long. This artistic display isn't just for the aesthetics, it's part of a courtship ritual. The more elaborate the design, the more likely a female pufferfish will be impressed and choose the artist as her mate. Who knew fish could be such talented artists? It's a fascinating glimpse into the unexpected complexities of the underwater world. Coming in at number 8, we have the smartest invertebrate in our oceans, the octopus. This 8-armed marvel is not only a master of disguise, but also holds an impressive cognitive ability, rivaling even some land animals. You see, octopuses are known for their extraordinary problem-solving skills. They can navigate mazes, unscrew lids to get a tasty treat inside a jar, and even use coconut shells as portable armor. But their intelligence doesn't stop there. Octopuses have been observed escaping from their enclosures in aquariums, showcasing their remarkable dexterity and adaptability. They can squeeze their soft bodies through tiny gaps, making a quick getaway when opportunity knocks. And here's a fun fact. Each of their 8 arms contains a mini-brain, allowing them to process multiple tasks simultaneously. So we're talking about a creature with 9 brains. So the next time you see an octopus, remember, it might be smarter than you think. At number 7, we have the fastest swimmer in the ocean, the sailfish. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of this aquatic speedster. The sailfish, with its long, slender body and crescent-shaped tail, is built for speed. It's like the sports car of the sea. But just how fast are we talking about? Well, hold on to your hats, because the sailfish can reach an astonishing speed of up to 68 miles per hour. That's faster than most speed limits on highways. In the blink of an eye, a sailfish can cover a whopping 100 feet. It's a truly remarkable feat that leaves other marine creatures in the dust. This extraordinary speed isn't just for show, though. It plays a crucial role in hunting. The sailfish uses its speed to outmaneuver its prey, leaving them with little chance of escape. Just imagine trying to keep up with a sailfish. Moving on to number 6, we delve into the deep sea with the giant squid. These creatures are true titans of the deep, with tentacles that can reach up to 43 feet in length. That's roughly the same length as a semi-trailer truck. But size isn't the only thing that makes these creatures fascinating. The giant squid is a creature shrouded in mystery. Despite their enormous size, they are incredibly elusive and have rarely been observed in their natural habitat. They dwell in the ocean's twilight zone, a place of perpetual darkness thousands of feet below the surface. This makes studying them a significant challenge. Yet the glimpses we do catch of these deep-sea giants are enough to astound us. With their enormous eyes, longer than any other creatures on Earth, they scan the deep for prey and rivals. Their powerful beaks can crunch through the toughest shells, testament to their status as fearsome predators. Deep in the ocean's abyss, these giants continue to astound us. Halfway through our list at number 5, we have the dolphins with their echolocation. This unique ability, also known as biological sonar, is not just a cool party trick. It's an essential tool that dolphins use for hunting and navigating through the vast ocean. Just like a submarine sonar, dolphins emit a series of clicks and listen for the echo to determine the location, size, and shape of objects around them. It's a complex process that requires a keen ear and a sharp mind. When hunting, dolphins use echolocation to detect the faint heartbeat of a fish hiding in the sand or to distinguish a tasty meal from a dangerous predator. When navigating, they use this sonar to avoid obstacles, find their way home, or even locate a missing pod member. This extraordinary ability is so precise that a dolphin can detect a fish the size of a pebble, over half a football field away. Dolphins truly have a sixth sense. At number 4, we have the flightless birds of the sea, the penguins. These charming birds are a testament to the power of adaptation. Even though they can't fly in the air, penguins are masters of underwater flight. Their wings, evolved into flippers, propel them through the water at speeds up to 25 miles per hour. Penguins also have a unique adaptation for staying warm in the coldest places on Earth: their feathers. Each penguin has about 70 feathers per square inch. And they're not just for show. These dense feathers trap a layer of air, providing excellent insulation against the icy Antarctic waters. But that's not all. Penguins have another trick up their sleeves, or rather, under their skin. A layer of fat, known as blubber, provides additional insulation and serves as a valuable energy reserve during long, foodless periods on land. These charming creatures are perfectly adapted to life at sea. Coming in at number 3, we have the only animal species where the male gives birth, the seahorse. Now, isn't that a fascinating twist in the tale of nature? In the seahorse family, the males and females dance around each other for several days. During this courtship, the female transfers her eggs into the male's pouch, a specialized compartment that provides a safe haven for the eggs to be fertilized and nurtured. The male carries the eggs, which can number anywhere from 50 to a whopping 1,000 depending on the species, for 2 to 4 weeks. During this time, he provides them with nutrients and oxygen, essentially playing the role of a doting mother. When the time is right, the male seahorse goes into labor, experiencing contractions, and eventually gives birth to tiny, fully formed seahorses, each no bigger than a jelly bean. In the seahorse world, it's the males who have the babies. At number 2, we have the ocean's most feared predator, the shark. Sharks are not just notorious for their deadly bite, but also for their unique sixth sense. This apex predator has evolved over millions of years to develop the ability to detect electromagnetic fields. This is no small feat, and it's not something that just any fish in the sea can do. This electromagnetic sense, also known as electroreception, allows sharks to perceive minute electrical impulses. Imagine being able to detect the heartbeat of a fish buried under the sand. That's right, sharks can do that. The secret lies in their jelly-filled pores, known as ampullae of Lorenzini, that cover their snouts and lower jaws. These pores are connected to nerve endings, which send signals to the brain, helping them to locate their prey, even in the murkiest of waters. This extraordinary sensory perception undoubtedly gives sharks a significant edge in the survival game underwater. Sharks truly are the super sensors of the sea. And finally, at number 1, we have the blue whale, the largest creature on Earth. Imagine a creature so massive that it weighs as much as 25 adult elephants. That's the blue whale for you, not just the largest aquatic animal, but the largest animal ever to have lived on this planet. Now, what does such a gigantic creature eat? Surprisingly, the blue whale's diet consists primarily of tiny shrimp-like animals known as krill. During the feeding season, a blue whale can consume up to 4 tons of krill in a single day. In addition to its size and diet, the blue whale's lung capacity is truly astonishing. It can hold approximately 5,000 liters of air at once. That's over 1,300 gallons, enough to fill a small swimming pool. So there you have it, the blue whale, the most majestic of all aquatic animals. We've dived deep and explored the top 10 fascinating facts about aquatic animals today. From the immortal jellyfish with their remarkable ability to revert their cells back to their earliest form, to the artistic pufferfish creating intricate designs on the ocean floor just to attract a mate. We've uncovered the intelligence of the octopus, the speed of the sailfish, and the awe-inspiring size of deep-sea giants. We've marveled at the echolocation skills of dolphins, the incredible adaptations of penguins, the unique reproduction of seahorses, the electromagnetic sense of sharks, and the grandeur of the majestic blue whale. Each of these creatures and countless others contribute to the intricate tapestry of life beneath the waves. They remind us of the boundless diversity and complexity that our oceans hold, inspiring us to appreciate, protect, and continue to explore this captivating underwater world. Remember, our oceans are full of wonders. Keep exploring, and you'll never cease to be amazed.